So you are welcome. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. From wherever you are watching this, feel welcome. And today we have a very nice math challenge where we are required to find the value in this typical math challenge. So here we are told to solve for the value of x, given that which value of x on the left hand side should be equals to taking the square root of the same value of x and then pre-multiplying it by the square root, finding the square root of x plus 6. So guys, if you're watching for the first time, please subscribe. Don't forget to turn your notifications on. This is a very tricky math challenge. So if you're watching this channel for the first time, guys, you are highly welcome. And here we are told to solve for the value of x in this particular it's called disappearing math challenge, where we are told that x is equals to the square root of x plus 6. So which value of x best satisfies this type of equation? And here for us we have series of examples or solutions that x can either be negative of 2 or b is 3 or c is 4 or both. So please comment, feel welcome. Always remember to subscribe. So which solution best gonna satisfy this particular equation? And you're gonna recall that this is a quadratic equation. Since we have the square root on one side, then it implies that, thank you big B6, you're saying that the actual answer is both. Thank you B6, where are you watching from? Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So for us here we have a very tricky math challenge. We are told which value of x, when substituted here, then the output is the same as on the other side. So those who are joining, please feel welcome. Remember to comment comment which particular answer will best satisfy x is equals to the square root of x plus 6 and you're told it is either -2 or b is equals to 3 or c, which is both. So if you're watching for the first time, kindly leave a comment, share with us which solution best satisfies this tricky math challenge from the US and the UK, where we are told which value of x on the left hand side will be equals to on the right hand side. And also remember that we have a square root on this other side. So that means taking the square root on both sides shall end up having a quadratic equation. We shall end up having quadratic. Please subscribe, comment where you're watching from. Always feel welcome. You're gonna comment so that we give you a shout out. Where are you watching from? You can tap that screen. Just tap your screen. Remember to tap that screen of yours. So which solution best satisfies this? Please comment as you tell us how or which solution. Is it A, -2, or B, 3, or C, both? So from wherever you're watching, kindly comment. You're gonna say hi and show us by solving this quadratic equation which solution best satisfies this. Will we get -2 or 3 or C, which is both? So kindly don't forget to subscribe. We are in the road to 2,000 subscribers. And in the road to 2,000 subscribers. So good people from wherever you're watching, feel welcome. Always feel welcome. Remember to comment. Comment where you're watching from. Also, you can support by subscribing to this channel. You can support by subscribing. Do we get the solution as A or B? And this is a very tricky, crazy one. On one side, we have a square root. On one side, we have the value of x. So what could be the approach? Is it a negative of 2? If you're watching for the first time, please subscribe, comment where you're watching this from. Are you getting A negative 2? B is 3? Or C both? You should be aware that this is a quadratic equation. When you find the square root on this side, you want to get the square of both sides of the equation. And from the quadratic equation, obviously you're going to get the two solutions. So out of the two solutions, which one satisfy the value of x for this particular? And we have either A going to get negative of 2, B is 3, then you're told C is both. Don't forget to comment. Comment where you're watching this from. So are we getting negative 2 or 3 or both? Somebody explain to us how we're going to get the actual accurate answer. And of course, if you're watching for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe and comment. Does the solution bring us to both? Or B is 3 or A is negative of 2? Which is which for that particular question? Just comment your answer. So we have another one. So for this, we are just asked that we have a function of x. If f of x is equals to x to the power x, then you're asked to find as x goes towards 0 and on the positive side for x raised to the power x. So this is a very brain-teasing question. So we have solutions. A is either 1, B is 0, C is undefined, and then D we're gonna get infinity. So Aliali is getting 1. Thank you, Aliali, for coming through and commenting. So explain to us how we are getting the limit for this particular equation. Do we get infinity? A is 1 or B is 0 or undefined? So kindly remember to always subscribe. We're in the road to 2,000 subscribers. And here we are told that given that f of x, a function of x is the same as x raised to power x, then we're told to find. So this question deals with the limits. This question goes or deals with the limit. And we need to take the limit for the positive values of x. Aliali is saying as the power gets smaller or closer to 0, then the number gets closer to 1. Thank you for that insight, Aliala. Thank you for your response. Where are you watching from? You can kindly support by just subscribing to this channel. Thank you for your feedback. So I want to check out if we have a different opinion. A different opinion to this. Thank you, Aliali. You're saying you're watching from Bahrain. You are highly welcome. You can check out our new tutorial that I released today. Comment on it. So who else is getting the solution as 0 or undefined or infinity? You just need to comment. Comment. Thank you, Aliali from Bahrain, electrical engineer. So I hope you are right. So let us check it out. So when this is 0, this is also 0. We have others reasoning that anything raised to power 0, if x is 0, so that we assume that the power is also 0. And from the laws of exponents, we can base our argument from there that from the laws of exponent, anything to the power 0, of course, we're going to get 1. But different people have different reasoning. So those who are watching, please subscribe to this channel, support. Tapping your screen and leave a very nice comment. You can also share with us where are you watching from. Thank you, Berlin. There's somebody called Berlin. So this is a very controversial equation. Others can get 1. B, that is 0, or undefined, or at the infinity. So mathematicians in the house, let's brainstorm. let's brainstorm on this equation. So for this case, the solution is either A is 1 or B is 0. Or C is undefined. This is a higher order equation that deals with the limits. So what happens when the power goes closer to positive 0 or 0 from the positive side? So for us to check it out if the limit exists, then it's better you check this out from the positive side. And guys, please, we're in the road to 2,000 subscribers. Your support by just subscribing, and then you don't forget to leave a comment. And here we are told that a function of x is equals to x to the power x. Then find the limit as x goes towards the positive side of 0. So do you have a difference between tackling this question from the positive side and from the negative side? Will the limit remain the same? So please comment, and comment where you are watching this live from. So are we getting either A is 1 or B is 0? Or you can get C, others are getting undefined. So guys, what do you think? What is the best approach or solution? That we're gonna use to find the limit as x raised to the power x when the limit of x as x goes towards the positive side of 0. So it's been a while, but today we are here. What could be the possible So in case you're watching this channel for the first time, just comment where you're watching from, and then do we get the solution as A is 1 b is 0 or undefined. Because we are told to find the limit of x raised to the power x as x goes towards the positive side of 0. So we are highly recommending that you comment have a function of x f of x is equals to x to the power x. So you don't forget to comment. Leave a like. Support our channel by sending a super chat or a super thanks. So this question comes from the US and those sides of England or the UK, that if you have a function of x which is equals to x to the power x, the limit as x goes towards 0. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe. Turn your notifications on. You can turn your notifications on. Also subscribe. We're in the road to 2,000 subscribers. How are you from where? Are you getting me clear? So you can comment what could be the possible solution when taking the limit of x to the power x as x goes towards 0. You get A is 1, B is 0, C is undefined, or you can get C, D is at infinity. So for the lovers of mathematics, you request that you please subscribe, turn your notifications on, and there we are. We are in the road to 2,000 subscribers. You only need 2 subscribers. So guys, you can comment if you can find the limit of this particular equation. Please share with us. Share with us. You also need to subscribe. Through subscribing, you want to support this amazing channel. Always turn your notification on so that you don't want to miss any notifications. Remember, we are live every day at the same time, same place. So those who are watching, comment what could be the best solution to this. Just comment whether it is either A or B or C or D. And then don't forget to always subscribe. We are in the road to 2,000 subscriptions. So the limit as x goes towards x, as x ranges towards the 0 on the positive side, when you substitute 0 here and then 0 here, then this changes to 0 raised to power 0. So when you take 0 raised to power 0, the possible outputs can either be equals to 1, either 1, B is 0, C is undefined, or infinity. So good people, don't forget to subscribe. So that we keep on growing. You can also share and comment where you're watching this live from. A function of x, f of x is x to the power x, and then you're asked to find the limit towards x as 0 for x, and then here we just told, are we getting a is 1, b is 0, c is undefined, and d is at infinity. So good people, remember to always comment, show us the possible solutions that we can get, possible solutions that we can get for this nice math challenge. Are we getting 0? Does 0 raised to power 0 0? Or you can try the L'Hopital's rules. The L'Hopital rule, does it apply here? Where you're required to differentiating this, differentiate x to the power x. So I think this is gonna get x minus 1. Or we just substitute directly, and that's either 1 or 0 or undefined or at infinity. So please comment, subscribe, Remember to subscribe to this channel. We're in the road to 2,000 subscribers. We need only need 2 subscriptions so that we hit 1,760. So just if you're watching, please hit that button. Don't forget to watch our previous videos. And also turning your notifications on. Like today, I released an Olympiad math question, which was also very interesting. You can check it out. So here we are told that the limit as x goes towards 0 on the positive side for x to the power x. Do you get the output as either 1 or 0? Or C is, are we gonna get the undefined? So good people, don't forget to just comment, and you're gonna explain to us how do we get the solutions. What could be the solution? Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to comment, turn your notifications on, subscribe. If you have f of x is equals to x to the power x, and the limit is either x to the power x as x goes towards the 0 on the positive side. So please don't forget to subscribe. You can turn your notifications on. So others are getting 1, others 0, others are getting undefined, others are getting infinity. So kindly comment if you have f of x is equals to x to the power x. And then you're told to find the limit as x goes towards the 0 on the positive side. So what could be the x to the x? Do we get a is 1, b is 0, or c is undefined? Don't forget to comment. Subscribe. Tomorrow we're also gonna be here at the same time. So turn your notifications on. So we have this tricky math challenge. It's called a very tricky math challenge. And it involves a function f of x, and f of x is equals to x to the power x. Then you're now told, can you find the limit as x goes towards 0? On the positive side, this is the sign positive. Of x raised to x. So this one is the power, this is the base, the power, the base, the power, the base. So you have a variety of solutions that a, you can get it as a is 1, b is 0. You can either get the output as 0 or undefined or infinity. So good people, we can comment. Most importantly, subscribe, turn your notifications on.